I look like an alien. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. What's happening? So I have been meaning to sit down and record this little tutorial for you guys for like way too long now. All right, so I pretty much just got out of the shower, I guess for the most part. My hair's a little bit damp. Well, sort of, I guess. I got out of the shower, went down for some food, got dressed, all that fun stuff. So it did have a good bit of time to dry. But this little overnight, quick, heatless look, I don't even know how to categorize it, but the trick I'm going to show you anyway in today's video, it all really depends on how damp your hair is. If you do it dry, my hair personally still curls, it still does the thing, it still does what I want it to do, what I want to see it do. If my hair is too wet, then this style is just a complete flop because the only thing my hair is trying to do while it's in there is dry. Yeah, too wet, I feel like this style is not gonna work. I don't know, you're gonna have to try it, prove me wrong. Honestly, the first step is, I like to put my hair in a part. If you do the whole, you know, like zigzag method on your part, then it is totally more likely to just kind of like free fall wherever. But personally with this style, and obviously I have my blonde stripe now and my hair is not in the middle as you could see, but I like to have my hair perfectly in the middle. That's where I've been wearing my hair for quite some time now, and that's how I like to start my style. So I'm just gonna pretty much go ahead and part my hair down the middle, all the way down the back of my head as well. You can do the zigzag if you don't care how your curls fall. I tend to not sleep with it in just because it's like super uncomfortable. So I like to do it in the morning while I get ready. You know, if I do my makeup, pick out an outfit, usually by that time I'll drop it, add a few more curls with a curling iron, and I'm good to go. Just to show you a little something that you could possibly throw in your hair, I like to use my Invisible Wear Cloud Whip, and this is pretty much just like a controlled, textured cream. I did go ahead and show you how I use this product in a previous video on my channel, which I can go ahead and link above and below in the description box or whatever. It looks like marshmallow fluff. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm gonna fix the lighting real quick. It is like just like a, I don't know, it feels like a whipped butter. It's just so smooth. It feels so good in your hands and it's super creamy and easy to work with. Therefore, you really don't need a lot. So I am just going to dig in a little bit, like 2 fingers worth, I guess you could say. I'm just gonna smear that on there. And pretty much just take it roots to end the whole way. And I did pre-brush my hair, so my hair is already naughty-less. Pretty much anything that'll just add a little bit of texture to your hair if you need it. I love that a lot of my combs just have lightener all over them. And my roots clearly need done super bad. Okay, I think my part's pretty close to perfect, or as perfect as it's gonna get. Well, we're about to get real crusty up in here, so let's just, it's a no judge zone up on my channel, so it's fine. I don't care what anybody thinks of me anyway, but if you want to judge, it's whatever. And we're just gonna start with this left side. Now, I'm sure you've seen this trick. You already know what this trick is by the thumbnail. If you read the description, you know what the trick is. The first thing you're gonna need is a robe belt. So I just had a Christmas robe that I've had out since it was given to me, and I don't know, I just have it in my bathroom and I saw it and I didn't feel like running down to the basement to get a colored one that's more aesthetically pleasing. So we got Christmas. It's not really Christmas. I mean, it's just like pattern, but it makes me feel like Christmas. I chipped my nail and I forgot about it. It's literally been terrible not having acrylics on. I just feel like a little boy. Like I like it sometimes, but it's been so long for me that I haven't had acrylics on that it's just like. So I have my robe belt, and you just want to find the center of it wherever it could possibly be, which I'm thinking is like one of these blue stripes because the pattern sort of repeats itself up into that point. So we're just gonna set it. I'm just gonna set it in the middle of my head. I'm gonna move it back a little bit. You just wanna wrap your other hair around it. You don't wanna just keep spinning and intertwining this with your hair, and it kind of maybe will turn into a braid if you're used to having 3 pieces. But in this case, we just need 2 pieces, and that's why we're gonna start super thin. So we're just gonna take a piece of hair and wrap it around. And now that this is on this side, we'll pick up another piece. I'll take some more blonde, take it with my first blonde, and then we're just wrapping it around, again, the robe. So we wrap that the whole way around the robe, so that whenever we add hair, it's getting added to the hair piece. So taking another piece, add it with the other hair, and then just wrap it the whole way around the robe. And that's it. And I'm trying to take it farther back so that I have more curl up top. I don't know if this was a thing on TikTok first. I don't know if this is a TikTok thing going around right now, if you've already seen it. I don't know. Totally not taking the clout for creating this idea, but yeah, it works. So you see I pretty much got like the whole scalp part of my head down, and then I'm just gonna keep on spinning the rest of my hair around. I am gonna go ahead and kind of create my own little Princess Leia bun. I'm about to look really cute. Taking my scrunchie. Boom. I'm just probably gonna speed through this side. I won't talk during it so you can just see what I'm doing. Yay, we reached our bottom again. Now we're just gonna take this up, making our identical Princess Leia bun. Girl. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and sit with my hair like this for, I'm not sure how long yet. I might get hungry, I don't know yet. Probably will get hungry, probably will have a snack and or lunch and or dinner, not sure what time it is. At this point, this could be the part, you know, where you tune out and you go to bed and you just sleep with this on. This is the hardest thing in the world to sleep on because the way that these buns hang are just so far back that it's not comfortable to lay on your back and or sides. So yeah. So lipstick on my teeth. We went and ate dinner, and of course I did my makeup, and then I charged my camera battery. So it's been maybe like 2.5 hours, 3 or so. I don't know, something like that. But I'm excited and ready to take out these face buns. So let's just get to dropping them. So it's stuck there, let alone if you sleep with them. I mean, they got some sort of wave at least. And we'll just start to unravel. And then let's just drop down this side. Whether they're perfect curls or not, it's at least textured, so you at least have some body to your hair, and I just love how easy it really is. Even if you're getting ready for work, you know, fresh out the shower, pull your hair up like this, do your makeup, and you'll have at least some wave to rock to work, and you don't even have to put heat on your hair. And I think that product really helps too, that I showed you guys, that Cloud Whip, because I feel it in there, just adding texture, and definitely gave me just like a boost of body, I guess you could say. There's definitely a lot of body in my hair, and then you could just kind of continue to play with it. You could always add hairspray, you know, whatever. That is pretty much it. Some long, luscious, wavy curls you could do easy, no heat, nothing, at home, easy, and this is within a couple hours. I mean, my hair even still feels damp, so I mean, you could tell I haven't had it in long whatsoever. I really like it, and if you guys enjoyed the tutorial and like the look, then feel free to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. I will link my socials in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time.